उक्त ब्लॉक की भूमि में वर्तमान में मस्जिद का निर्माण एवं बाउंड्री वॉल का निर्माण किया गया है। यहाँ के आसपास के निवासियों द्वारा बताया गया कि कुछ वर्ष पूर्व यहाँ पर छोटी मस्जिद थी, वह आसपास की भूमि खुली थी जिस पर वर्तमान में अतिक्रमण किया जाकर मुसाफिर खाना एवं बाउंड्री वॉल का निर्माण किया गया। The property prima facie I was able to show to the Tehsildar subsequent to a show cause notice that there exists an औकाफ register stating the property to be a वक्फ property। अब सर दो डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने दिखाया। अब प्रश्न ये है कि मुसाफिर खाना कहाँ से आया। अगर ये मान भी लिया जाए कि मस्जिद लीगली एग्जिस्ट करती थी और आपके पक्ष में था, एक मस्जिद निर्मित है। अब देखिए सर, उपस्थित कुछ लोगों के द्वारा बताया गया कि यहाँ पर सीआरपी लाइन के जवान के क्वार्टर स्थित है। कुछ वर्षों पूर्व यहाँ पर छोटी सी मस्जिद हुआ करती थी। शेष खुली भूमि पड़ी हुई है, लेकिन वर्तमान में 40,000 वर्ग फुट भूमि पर बाउंड्री वॉल बनाकर निर्माण कार्य कर लिया गया है। But at the outset, not apologies for bothering your lordships not on a holiday. We are extremely sorry, Lord, but the matter is tightly urgent, Lord. That's the only reason we came before this honorable court.
Then you need not to apologize.
Yes, but I'm challenging not the order passed by the learned single judge and WP 7146, Lords, if your lordship has the order.
Yes.
Lord, I'll come straight to the relevant part of the order. No, Lord, at the outset, I would state, Lord, it appears as if I have an alternative remedy by way of Section 44 appeal provided under the Madhya Pradesh Land Revenue Code against an order ostensibly passed by the Tehsildar only of disposition. Lord, that appeal with great respect would not be an efficacious remedy in the circumstances, and the learned judge to that extent has agreed with me, however, making an observation that I am free to approach any other authority or tribunal if I so wish to do. But the learned single judge with great respect has gone into the merits and demerits, thereby entertaining a petition and sort of agreeing with me on the question of not relegating me to the alternative remedy, not because this order is without completely without jurisdiction. But the Tehsildar note has gone in excess of this jurisdiction while presuming this property to be as unauthorizedly occupied by the petitioner before my lords. Your lordships have the impure order before the learned single judge. I'm referring to. This is my next, sir. P1 of the original writ petition, 7146.
Here, P1.
Yes, sir. Carry to the submission. का संक्षिप्त विवरण इस प्रकार है कि मध्य प्रदेश शासन तरफे हल्का पटवारी ग्राम कस्बा इंदौर तहसील जूनी इंदौर जिला इंदौर के द्वारा मध्य प्रदेश भू राजस्व संहिता की 1959 की धारा 248 के तहत प्रतिवेदन प्रस्तुत किया गया, जिसमें लेख कर अवगत कराया कि ग्राम कस्बा इंदौर अंतर्गत अनसर्वेड रेजिडेंसी क्षेत्र में स्थित सीआरपी लाइन क्षेत्र के ब्लॉक क्रमांक 12 क्षेत्रफल 0.701 एकड़ अर्थात 30,000 वर्ग फीट लगभग हेक्टेयर भूमि नजूल भूमि अभिलेख में दर्ज है। उक्त ब्लॉक की भूमि में वर्तमान में मस्जिद का निर्माण एवं बाउंड्री वॉल का निर्माण किया गया है। यहाँ के आसपास के निवासियों द्वारा बताया गया कि कुछ वर्ष पूर्व यहाँ पर छोटी मस्जिद थी, वह आसपास की भूमि खुली थी जिस पर वर्तमान में अतिक्रमण किया जाकर मुसाफिर खाना एवं बाउंड्री वॉल का निर्माण किया गया। Number this presumes two things. One, that based on the information randomly collected by the residents of the locality, which has led to the conclusion of the Tehsil that excessive construction has been undertaken beyond the permissible limits. One, which Lord with great respect cannot form the basis of either a show cause notice or a finding by the reference authority. Secondly, it presupposes that the land in question is a government landlord. I would show to your lordship how this is not a government landlord. And then I'll come back to the impure order, but just first of this question only. Your lordship will not kindly turn to annexure P4, P3 and P4. P3 is not very legible, but suffice it to say that it's a Nazul maintenance khasra, wherein the Qabzadar has been mentioned as CRP Police Line Masjid.
But area, what about area? They are not disputing that you have a masjid, but the area was smaller. You will not cut area by including the government. We your activity within this area.
Yes, sir. We are not restricted to 30,400 square feet only. Now, unfortunate part is that the government agency has included two khasra numbers and shown any other excessive construction to be a part of my excessive construction. I am restricting myself only to survey number 12. Everywhere, as far as my documents go, it's survey number 12 only. And I'll come to your lordship, come to those orders also, including the show cause notice, how they presume that other areas are also within my umbrella, which is not true. Your lordship has P3 with the first annexure
Yeah.
So Lord, the area 30,400 Kshetrafal. And in the sixth column is CR Police Line Masjid. This is resonating. Then Lord, on this next page, your Lordship is to find the Awqaf register, Lord, which certifies the fact in my respectful submission that this is a work. Your Lordship has got in number 23, 23, madam?
23.
Yes, ma'am. It looks somewhat like this, Lord, if I can show it to you, Lord.
P4, Eneka P4. Eneka P4 or P3?
सर वो 3 का ही पार्ट है सर, वो P4 थोड़ा सा आगे है, वो ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड है, मैं उस पर भी आता हूँ, ये P3 का ही पार्ट है सर।
P3 का पार्ट
जी, जिसमें सर ऊपर लिखा हुआ है नकल रजिस्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन औकाफ वाक़े। द सिक्स्थ कॉलम, योर लॉर्डशिप विल बी प्लीज्ड टू सी आइटम नंबर 4, the mention of this very masjid. Item number 4, not your lordship have it now?
here.
Masjid Central India Agency Police Line Chhavni, Masjid CRP line, then Janeb is side Shumal block number is taraf ye, and on the next column, that is column number 7, your lordship would be pleased to see the khasra number categorically mentioned is 12.
But area is at 30,400.
Yes, Lord. The area of the masjid with subsequent permission where the Musafir Khana is made is restricted to 30,400 only.
Yes.
Now, Lord, this is the khasra number. So, therefore, Lord, my first submission is the property prima facie I was able to show to the Tehsildar subsequent to a show cause notice that there exists an Awqaf register stating the property to be a Waqf property. Now, unless the government was in a position to file a document in rebuttal stating that this is not a Waqf property but vests with the government either by way of a civil court declaration or by way of any other documentation, there is a presumption in my favor of the property being Waqf property.
Year is not mentioned in this document, page 23. This is Nakal Register of which year?
ये लेटेस्ट रजिस्टर है, इसके ऊपर इन्होंने ईयर मेंशन नहीं करा, but we can't tamper with this document because this is how it reads in the Awqaf register, Lord. Though in column number 14, Lord, there is a registration date, Lord. Column 14, Lord, of my registration. Same down. Your Lordship was column 14, Lord?
21st February.
Yes. ये मेरे registration date. It's not open to me, Lord. Your Lordship would. Now, Lord, coming to election P4, which your Lordship is pleased to mention, Lord.
P4, P?
Yeah. Sir, page 25.
Yes.
Yes, sir. सर आप ऊपर देखेंगे मेंटेनेंस इंदौर नगरी क्षेत्र रेजिडेंसी क्षेत्र, ये 1964, 65, 66 का रेवेन्यू रिकॉर्ड। इसमें से डिटेल देखें तो नंबर 2 में अगेन खसरा नंबर मेंशन्ड है, कॉलम नंबर 3 में क्षेत्रफल है 30,400 स्क्वायर फीट, कॉलम नंबर 5 में सर उत्तर दक्षिण पूर्व पश्चिम में क्या, और कॉलम नंबर 6 में फिर से सीआरपी पुलिस लाइन मस्जिद का जिक्र है। अब सर 2 डॉक्यूमेंट मैंने दिखाया। अब प्रश्न ये है कि मुसाफिर खाना कहां से आया? अगर ये मान भी लिया जाए कि मस्जिद लीगली एग्जिस्ट करती थी और आपके पक्ष में था, so the question is why मुसाफिर खाना? Not for that query I filed 2 documents brought which were a part of the record before the learned single judge as well, but annexure P5 for a minute.
क्या है 30,000 नहीं उनके पॉइंट पेरल भी रहता है तो व्हाट इज 0.70
हेक्टेयर सर, 0.70 हेक्टेयर है सर, वो स्क्वायर फीट में ट्रांसलेट करके 30,400 हो जाता है।
ये हम हेक्टेयर माने इसको 0.70 के, इसका एरिया 30,500 नहीं आ सकता, इसका एरिया तो फिर बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा। ये दोनों दे माप लेती दे आर रॉन्ग, आइदर 0.70 रॉन्ग और P30500 रॉन्ग, because there are 5 diga and one hectare and there is 22,500 square feet and 1 diga and 0.70 will come
एकड़ लिखा हुआ है एमपी नॉट ऑन,
to there is the this cannot
70 एकड़ लिखा है।
सर एकड़ हो तो फिर तो परफेक्ट 30,400, एकड़ करीब 44,000 स्क्वायर फीट का होता है तो एकड़ होगा फिर। आई एम सॉरी,
either 0.70 is wrong or 30
सर एकड़ ही 30,492 आता है सर, 0.70 एकड़ जो है। I stand for it. I am obliged to your lordship. I stand corrected. Now, when I come to the 2 permissions which assume it is
Dispute is only about this Musafir Khana, not about the masjid.
sir, now that major demolition activity was carried out today morning after the dismissal of my petition, Lord, now masjid remains and they've been threatened by the authorities that if we do not demolish that mosque, they will come and demolish that mosque as well. So essentially, demolished has been demolished.
With finding of the reported coming.
Yes, but before that, may I just refer to the two documents? I'll only hold your lordship back for a minute.
Question is, are you arguing on merit or you want to go before the appellate authority?
Yes, but I bow down to your lordship lord for the query. Not two things. If your lordship is not inclined to entertain my submission to the merit lord, that till the time that I am able to file an application and the application is adjudicated by the appellate authority, may your lordship be pleased to grant me protection of 20 days.
Right, reading your matter on merits, but you will have to satisfy why the alternate remedy is not an application. Why the within of the report is no?
Yes. No, but for two things, Lord. Only, Lord, again, requesting your lordship, Lord, indulgence for half a minute, Lord. Would your lordship turn to Lord P5 and P5, Lord? 4 documents at P5, page 27 and page 30, Lord.
Yes.
And I'll not bother your lordship by reading it, Lord. Suffice it to say, it's a municipal corporation permission, survey number. Your lordship is P5, not page 27.
Yes, 27.
सर आप देखेंगे ये सर्वे नंबर 12 मस्जिद कंपाउंड और इसके नीचे सबसे नीचे डॉक्यूमेंट के लिखा है मुसाफिर खाना। मैं सिर्फ भी दर्शाना चाहता हूँ कि मुसाफिर खाने की वैलिड परमिशन कॉर्पोरेशन द्वारा दी गई थी 2003 में, जिसके बाद मुसाफिर खाना बनाया गया।
Really, everything is permissible, but little 30,000 not that. Here area is mentioned is Oban Kshetrapal 3106.4.
यस सर, मेरा निवेदन सुने। पहला तो ये है कि अगर कोई इलीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन कैरी आउट करा जाता है तो वो रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटीज विद ग्रेट रिस्पेक्ट हैव नो jurisdiction and right to go into it. The power, the jurisdiction right exclusively with the municipal corporation to give me a show cause notice if I am not able to satisfy and demolish my property. The usurping of the jurisdiction by a revenue authority, encroaching upon the power and eating into the power of the corporation is not permissible. There are two separate government departments which are supposed to function in two different streams of administration. That is the first submission. और म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन का कोई निर्देश मुझे कभी नहीं दिया गया, न ही तहसीलदार के इंप्रूवल ऑर्डर में लिखा। इनफैक्ट आप शोकॉज नोटिस सर जो प्रीसीड कर रहा था इंप्रूवल ऑर्डर को, उस शोकॉज नोटिस में भी कहीं जिक्र नहीं है कि आपका कंस्ट्रक्शन इलीगल है। एनेक्शन P1 सर, वो P1
E7 is a show cause notice.
यस लॉर्ड, P7 लो। अब इनका देखिए सर बेसिस क्या है, मैं सिर्फ ये दर्शाना चाहता हूँ मैलाफाइड इंटेंट। आई एम सॉरी।
Yes, please go ahead.
यस लॉर्ड। और दैट शो कॉज नोटिस जो P7 जो लॉर्डशिप से निवेदन करा था, इसका बेसिस देखे शो कॉज नोटिस का सर। इन्होंने बाद में फाइंडिंग रिकॉर्ड करी कि रेवेन्यू रिकॉर्ड में आपका नाम ले P7 सर। एतद द्वारा आपको सूचित किया जाता है कि अनसर्वेड एरिया रेजिडेंसी के सर्वे के दौरान, किसके द्वारा करा पता नहीं कब, अब ट्रीज नहीं, 6, 11, 12। अब डेलिबरेटली सर क्या होता है कि जो रेवेन्यू अथॉरिटी है वो 3 सर्वे नंबर को इंक्लूड करती हैं कि 12 में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, परमिशन से बना है, लेकिन 6 और 11 में ऐसा लगता है कुछ अनऑथोराइज कंस्ट्रक्शन है तो उसको भी इंक्लूड कर दिया, वो हमको एट्रीब्यूट कर दिया। एक मस्जिद निर्मित है। अब देखिए सर, उपस्थित कुछ लोगों के द्वारा बताया गया कि यहाँ पर सीआरपी लाइन के जवान के क्वार्टर स्थित है। कुछ वर्षों पूर्व यहाँ पर छोटी सी मस्जिद हुआ करती थी, शेष खुली भूमि पड़ी हुई, लेकिन वर्तमान में 40,000 वर्ग फुट भूमि पर बाउंड्री वॉल बनाकर निर्माण कार्य कर लिया गया है। ये लोगों के द्वारा बताया गया, नो इंडिपेंडेंट सर्वे। उपलब्ध रिकॉर्ड के अनुसार उक्त भूमि अनसर्वेड रेजिडेंसी एरिया की भूमि, जो कि नजूल भूमि शासकीय भूमि के रूप में दर्ज है। Pause for a moment only to request your lordship to go back to the permission, not go back to the revenue records which clearly stated that this is not a government land. How did it become a government land? We don't know. New notices we saw, there is no mutation order. और asking sir बेदखली का है कि आप बेदखल पे
Sir, in which paragraph you have stated that you have not raised construction over 4,000 square feet? In which paragraph of the writ petition you have said that that is lot over 20,000 and the over 30,000?
सर ये 1.2 में मैं इस स्पेसिफिक टर्म में नहीं लिखा, पर मैंने कहा कि वक्त प्रॉपर्टी सिर्फ इतनी है।
They are saying that there is construction of 40,000 square feet. You should say that this is wrong and our construction is only over 30,450. you should state this, and otherwise you cannot delay here.
First request your lordship to turn to, yes, I'm sorry.
They have stated in the notice on the basis of oral information, but you can state here as per your demarcation, as per your measurement.
Sir.
According to the code, you should measure your property over which part your property is constructed. Then you can say, is out their notice is illegal and there is pleading with the support of the affidavit. There is your position. How can say that is wrong? Stand even in the pleading you are not stating anything.
Sir, may I take your lordship lord through a reply of the show cause notice, sir, जिसमें लिखा है नोटिस के रिप्लाई में लिख के दिया.
In petition you have come here. So are changing that notice. Then in the writ petition you should say that this notice is wrong because our construction is 30500. And this is the contention of the council, corporation, that the construction is over 440,000 is wrong. At least this should be one paragraph or 2-3 lines in the writ petition.
I bow down to your lordship completely. But apart from the show cause notice, but I also challenge the final order passed in pursuance of the show cause notice.
And then it will be a fact-finding inquiry. You are not even stating the fact with your petition. You have come to the court.
Sir,
First, you should state and third thing. Sir, their convention is wrong. What is your convention?
but may I take your lordship through only the reply to the show cause notice, sir? जहाँ मैंने specific terms में लिखा, मैं I bow down to your lordship कि वो specific line मेरी petition में नहीं है. But no, let that not be held against me for the simple reason.
But that can be that has been taken into consideration by the Tehsildar and Reason and against the authors.
वही निवेदन का तो I take your lordship through the तहसीलदार order also, उसमें कहीं नहीं लिया उन्होंने.
Against the order of Tehsildar, you have come here, then you should state everything. You should dispute each and everything in the petition, factual part or in the ground part. Ethics be the petition.
We completely would not bow down to your lordships on that observation note, and I cannot change what is not written or what is not written and not change what is written.
How can you dispute or how we can presume that the notice is no?
सर वो क्योंकि मुझे जवाब जो दिया था नोटिस का, एक बार सर वो देखिए बंद मेरा
Are exercising the writ jurisdiction that to rid of it, and there is no pleading.
not we wait saying that court of great respect has not dismissed my petition on account of non-pleading of a certain fact. Lord. Of course, your lordship's Lord query is absolutely pertinent and not absolutely right on that point. I have not been dismissed on non-pleading of that fact.
You are exercising writ jurisdiction. You are not splitting anything. You are not disputing anything which is being mentioned in the notice.
For Bavaria, there is no admitted fact on which the writ court can exercise the jurisdiction. Unless there are admitted facts. Look, the interpretation of law is required. But now there is a boundary dispute, there is an area dispute, there is a now title dispute also. So the writ is not the appropriate remedy as the writing and
Not just if your lordship, yes.
I say, you should say our construction is over 3,000 something, and this is not over 4 that area is about 10,000 square foot area, which is in dispute at present. You have not stated anything. And I think this is very.
We have not only taken lordship through the reply to the show cause notice. Lord. And this has not been held to be an incorrect reply to the Tehsildar. Now, if this reply would have been held to be incorrect, it was also required to mention it, but
You are come, but you have come to the High Court. You should say something in your reputation. So something is not of me.
yes. I completely bow down to your lordship's honor. May I take your lordship through the reply, my lord, for a minute of the show cause notice?
इसमें भी डिस्प्यूट नहीं किया. यू आर नॉट डिस्प्यूटेड कि 40,000 वाली बात तो लिखी है वो गलत है. हमारा 40,000 पर नहीं है, 30,400 पर. ये भी लाइन तो लिखना पड़ेगी.
सर आप पैरा 2 सर आप परमिट करें, पैरा 2 एक बार पढ़ देता हूँ.
थोड़ा सा कम लिखा है मतलब, थोड़ा कम.
सर वो लैंग्वेज डिफर करती है हर व्यक्ति की. ऑफ कोर्स योर लॉर्डशिप एक्सप्रेशंस वी कैन नेवर मैच, बट we are not so astute and so not expressive in our use of
Second chance was given to you by drafting the petition. Suppose you did not say anything in that reply.
वो मैं एक बार पढ़ दूं पैरा 2 और पैरा 4 सर, उसमें क्या लिखा है एक बार. जी ये कि उक्त भूमि 1967 से ही मस्जिद एवं इंदौर वक्फ बोर्ड के नाम पर दर्ज है, जिसका कुल क्षेत्रफल 30,400 वर्ग फीट है तथा उक्त संपत्ति पर कलेक्टर महोदय द्वारा दिनांक 17/6 को अनापत्ति दी गई कि उपरोक्त निर्माण विच मीन्स कंस्ट्रक्शन रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू 30,000 स्क्वायर फीट। पुलिस विभाग जिला प्रशासन को कोई आपत्ति नहीं जिसकी प्रति संलग्न है। देन लॉर्ड अगेन तारा 4 हमारे द्वारा तारा 4 जैसे कि हमारे द्वारा शासकीय भूमि पर किसी भी प्रकार का कोई अवैध कब्जा निर्माण नहीं किया गया है। मस्जिद की भूमि का कुल क्षेत्रफल 30,400 वर्ग फीट है, जिस पर मस्जिद मुसाफिर खाने का निर्माण किया।
Evasive, this is evasive in the light of that direct allegation against you that you have raised construction over 40,000. You are not saying we have not raised over 40,000. Our construction is 3,400. At least this should be the PVD.
सर ये लाइन नहीं है कि आप गलत कह रहे हो 40,000 है, बट बाकी तो सब है कि 30,000 पे कंस्ट्रक्शन है। आप देखें पैरा 4 में सर ये लिखा, वो आई एग्री विथ योर लॉर्डशिप की वो लाइन मिसिंग है कि आप गलत कह रहे हैं, वो नहीं लिखते। वो अथॉरिटी से सब कई बार कन्फ्रंटेशनल होने की इच्छा इसलिए नहीं होती कि रोज काम पड़ता है इनको अधिकारियों से, सो वी डोंट वांट टू प्रूव देम also. The thing we are trying to, your lordship would appreciate, only thing what we are trying to show is that we are within the limits of the permissible construction. That is why we did not say कि आप गलत कह रहे हैं। Now lord, going back to lord, just the one collector's order your lordship already has gone through, lord. The permission of construction, lord. Yes. That lord is annexure P3, annexure P5, lord. Yes. P5. Now this shows an NOC P5 lord, your lordship has.
Yes, but it is within P106 square meter with 1.5 FAR.
Please sir, इसमें कई एरिया का ये लॉर्डशिप लॉर्ड perhaps is referring to a different document, but I am referring to P5.
Para 6.
नहीं सर, that is a different documents. या सर ये कलेक्टर का आदेश है, ये है
ये बिल्डिंग ऑफिसर का है P5 पेज 27। इसमें परमिसिबल कंस्ट्रक्शन एरिया इज 987 स्क्वायर मीटर आउट ऑफ P103।
जी
All activity should be limited within that.
मैंने सर एब्सोल्युटली मान लिया। मेरा निवेदन ये है प्लीज इतना सर क्वेश्चन हुई कि नाउ द कलेक्टर स्टेट्स दैट दिस परमिशन इज बीइंग ग्रांटेड फॉर परमिशन आफ्टर टेकिंग एनओसी फ्रॉम ऑल रिलेवेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स। We trying to show Lord that we are a bona fide possessor and holder of a property with a title in our favor. I'll take a lordship through the entire, but suffice it to say कि सारे विभागों का जिक्र करा कलेक्टर ने परमिशन देते हुए। Now two things were reversed. Number one, there is no recalling of the collector's permission or the municipal corporation's building permission at any point of time. One, there is no legislative corporation which is the actual authority who can question any construction or treat it to be an excessive construction. There is no authority besides the municipal corporation who can take cognizance and look at the fact whether there is an illegal construction or because they don't have the paraphernalia and the technical know-how to do so. So corporation is not bothered. The collectorate is not bothered. The tehsildar issues a show notice based on some random people are living there, and the tehsildar based on that show notice passes the impure order, Lord, and that is based on, I'll just tell you straight before this honorable the finding Lord of the tehsildar. अनावधक सातवें कार्यपालन अधिकारी के द्वारा प्रस्तुत जवाब का परीक्षण किया, जिसके अनुसार एम्बा अस्पताल के पीछे सीआरपी लाइन के ब्लॉक क्रमांक का फिर से 3 सर्वे नंबर का जिक्र है। शोका और नोटिस में भी यही प्रॉब्लम है। कुल 40,000 क्षेत्रफल पर मस्जिद निर्मित है, जो कि 67 से ही मस्जिद एवं वक्फ बोर्ड के नाम पर दर्ज है एवं जिसके संबंध लेके कि उक्त संपत्ति पर कलेक्टर महोदय द्वारा 17/6/94 को अनापत्ति दी गई। नाउ दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, दे मेंशन टू द परमिशन बाय द कलेक्टर की उपरोक्त निर्माण से पुलिस विभाग जिला प्रशासन को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। इस पूर्व उल्लेखित बिंदु से पूर्णतः स्पष्ट है कि वह स्थल जिस पर मस्जिद एवं मुसाफिर खाने का निर्माण किया गया वो भूमि शासकीय भूमि है। आई रिक्वेस्ट योर लॉर्डशिप टू स्टॉप हियर। दिस है because you have a permission from the collector construct, therefore we hold that this is a government land. With great respect, it's an absurd finding. तथा नजूल 29 ग्राम रेजिडेंसी क्षेत्र के खसरे में उक्त भूमि सीआरपी मस्जिद लेके चूंकि नजूल भूमि शासकीय भूमि होती। So this is the presumption on which the tehsildar proceeds forward. And Lord, now the next page number Lord 18, page 18 Lord, what's it said? The last paragraph which begins somewhere from the word प्रयोग, ऊपर से सर तीसरी चौथी पांचवी छठी सातवीं लाइन, लास्ट पैरा की 7वीं लाइन, पेज 18। प्रयोग के लिए पृथक रखी गई भूमि धारा 233 क के अंतर्गत नगरीय क्षेत्र में रूप प्रयोजन के लिए पृथक रखी गई भूमि नजूल भूमि नहीं है। और प्रदेश शासन और राजस्व विभाग मंत्रालय के पत्र सूल भोपाल दिनांक 25/4/2005 के पत्र के अनुसार रेजिडेंसी एरिया क्षेत्र इंदौर में स्थित भूमियां जो पूर्व रेजिडेंसी एरिया अथॉरिटी के नाम से दर्ज थी तो प्रदेश शासन में समाहित हो चुकी है एवं नजूल भूमि के रूप में शासकीय नियमों के तहत प्रशासित है। अतः इस क्षेत्र की समस्त भूमियों को राज्य सरकार की मानकर नजूल भूमि की तरह प्रबंधन किए जाने हेतु निर्देशित किया। दिस सीम्स टू बी बेसिस कि 2005 पारित हुआ which is not a part of this record which I was never confronted with the residency lands not and not the last lease. Page 19 the first paragraph. ये मेरे से डिसाइड करा है, हालांकि इंप्यूर ऑर्डर बत ने मेरे खिलाफ करा। भाई पेज 19 फर्स्ट तारा बिंदु क्रमांक 2 इस बिंदु के संबंध में आवेदक के द्वारा प्रस्तुत मेरे द्वारा प्रस्तुत दस्तावेजों का परीक्षण किया गया। नगर निगम भवन अधिकारी के द्वारा प्रस्तुत दस्तावेजों से स्पष्ट है कि आवेदक को मात्र 9087 वर्ग मीटर भूमि पर मुसाफिर खाने के निर्माण की अनुमति प्रदान की गई है। तत्कालीन कलेक्टर महोदय के द्वारा मेहनपत्ति प्रदान की गई। इस कारण से मुसाफिर खाना अनधिकृत कब्जे की श्रेणी में नहीं रहता, लेकिन इसके अतिरिक्त शासकीय भूमि पर मस्जिद दिस इज द फाइंडिंग इन द फेवर लगभग 67 से 300 वर्ग मीटर पर निर्मित की। ये गूगल इमेज एवं प्रस्तुत दस्तावेजों से प्रमाणित होता है मेरे पक्ष में, लेकिन सैटेलाइट इमेज से प्रमाणित है कि मस्जिद प्रशासन के द्वारा अनधिकृत रूप से शासकीय भूमि पर विस्तार करते हुए बाउंड्री वॉल मस्जिद का विस्तार कर दिया। Sees the reasoning and the basis of finding is a satellite image concrete to the document which are filed. And last, the word on hand they say, but you are declared an unauthorized occupant which was within jurisdiction, and the last line not the Tehsildar says कि हम demolition कर रहे हैं. But this pass of great respect is highly objectionable in my submission for the reason the Tehsildar is no business to hold any construction to be illegal or excessive or beyond jurisdiction or beyond permission. He has a permission to decide a full to application. That again is incorrectly. The last three line में they say राजस्व अनावश्यक अतिक्रमण नहीं हटाने की दशा में अतिक्रमण हटाकर वस्तु में प्रस्तुत कर।
They have protected me from masjid as well as Latafatman. Yes. But the protection they are keeping it in the.
Yes, but
क्वेश्चन रहता है मस्जिद की मूल कनकरा एवं मुताबिक खाना के अतिरिक्त बनी बाउंड्री और निर्माण कृतियों को बेदखल की जाएंगी। पार्टी के देयर इज नो डॉक्यूमेंट, देयर इज नो परमिशन, देयर इज नथिंग बियॉन्ड इट।
Yes, but let us assume what the state government is saying, the Tehsildar is saying is the question that I put to myself with the Lord's permission is it open to the Tehsildar to declare a construction illegal construction work? Or is the corporation the only body to decide so? Yes, but only for last submission, if your lordship are not inclined to relegate me to the alternative remedy where your lordship may consider my prayer for giving me a status quo for order till we stay application by the appellate authority is decided. In case your lordship is inclined to, that's the only request.
Yes, they will say it.
My lord, first, my lord, I'm addressing to the factual aspect, my lord. The demolition process and the removal of encroachment process has already been initiated at 7:15 in the morning and has been completed at 9 a.m. in the morning itself. Thereafter, my lord, on their verbal request, my lord, further 7 days time has been granted to them, my lord, that जो भी remaining है, that they are removing it voluntarily, my lord. This is the factual aspect which I'm bringing to this honorable court's notice, my lord. Second on that, it's my learned senior court.
We can record your statement. You have given 7 days time.
My lord, I'm having respond number 3 Tehsildar with me. You know, I've taken instructions. His name.
In 7 days, you maintain the status quo. By that time, we have been recorded an appeal along with an stay. You told that we.
I've taken specific instructions, my lord.
Do update that.
We can hold it, so we can grant you 15 days. At the moment.
But if I'm not crossing my limit, would your lordship pass also direction to decide my application within that time, lord? Otherwise, they'll keep it pending. 15 days will get over.
Only the appeal will 15 days, you file and they will decide it.
Yes, I'll be grateful.
My lord, for that, my lord, my short submission is there, my lord. My lord, Red Court has specifically mentioned, my lord, in the order which are impugning in writ petition, my lord.
Yep.
Page number 28, my lord. Paragraph number 70.
70 is yeah.
Applying applying the aforesaid crystallized legal principles to the factual matrix of the present case, this court is of the considered opinion that the complex and disputed question of fact relating to the title, waqf character, and precise demarcation of the property cannot be satisfactorily resolved in the present writ proceedings. The petitioner is attempting to seek what is essentially a declaration of title, cloaked as a challenge to an eviction order, bypassing the statutory appeal machinery provided under the MPLRC and or under the Waqf Act or Waqf Tribunal or Civil Court, my lord. So, my lord, my only respectful submission is, my lord, that our right to raise the preliminary objection regarding the maintainability shall be remain with us, my lord, because where in whichever forum they are presenting the appeal, my lord, because they are disputing the both the parties are disputing the title and the ownership, my lord. So that cannot be adjudicated, my lord, in revenue proceedings, my lord. That is my only submission at this point of time.
So you will be responding everywhere. You can raise all.
That's all.
As per your information, when this construction was raised,
My lord, this construction,
the improved construction,
my lord,
raised.
when it was raised,
When? What is the time when this construction was raised?
2000
In the,
between they were raising it continuously, my lord, from year 2012 till 2025, my lord.
have you taken any action against your officers?
Then we will talk.
We are grateful.
Thank you.
We are grateful.